today's video I'm going to be talking about the Hoover Whirlwind bagless cylinder vacuum, and yeah, I think it was well, it would have been a budget vacuum, and I'm going to go through it. So here's the main vacuum, obviously, and yeah, here's the don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, I do, but yeah. So here's the bin. We're not gonna look inside it though, because there's rubbish in it at the minute from when I did vacuuming earlier. And yeah, and so, oh, actually I've got something to say about this wheel. There used to be on this type a different wheel, and yeah, it says Whirlwind because that's the model. I think the model number for this, you can't buy it anymore, by the way. It was SE71 WRO 1 or 2, one of them, and I think it was WRO2, or was that the pet model? I can't remember. But because I got this second, I'll just go through the tools for now. Here's all the tools. Here's the hose. I'm not sure how many meters it is though, but it isn't very long. Not as long as Henry's hose. Here's Henry. Henry's got quite a long hose. And there's Henry, and there's the Hoover Whirlwind. Here's a telescopic metal wand, which means that it's telescopic. Let me show you. It's hard showing it on camera when I've got to hold it, and look. That it extends, like to adjust your height, or like when you're putting it in the parking dock, it can help when you compact it down. So that's the metal wand, which is nice to see on a budget vacuum, better than plastic ones. Here's an awful tool. Don't think anyone really likes this tool. It's rubbish. It's a very tiny crevice tool with a flick out dusting brush, and it's absolutely terrible. You're not gonna get far down your sofa and into crevices with that. It's not very good, that tool, but it's a cheap vacuum, so yeah. Here's the pet hair remover. As you can see, it says pets. This wasn't supplied as standard with that. It would have been if it was the pet one, but this isn't the pet model. This is the standard one. Yeah, but it says Hoover there. H-Lab pet hair remover. Not a very good tool. Well, actually no, that's not the one. That's the rubbish tool. There's another tool with this that I don't like. Yep, it's for pet hair. I'm not really This is more for like upholstery, I'd say, because this is the cleaning head, and it's just over half the size, so it isn't very big. So it'd take forever to do the carpets with. Yep, you can. Let me just show you. You can get access to the fan blade, but when you turn that on, if you're using this, if you've got the if you do have the brush, when you have the brush spinning, because it's air powered, so it's powered from the main suction of the vacuum. If you do open this, that will automatically like stop spinning. So that's that. And this one isn't the right one for this vacuum, this floor tool. I got it second hand, so I got it second hand last Christmas, so that's why it's nice that it comes with that tool, but it'd be better if it came with the tool it's meant to. This is off the Hoover Breeze, I think. So I don't like this tool, it's awful. Because what happens with it when I'm using it on the carpet, it keeps skipping parts. And I'll just quickly turn this on in this video and show you what it's like. And it's quite difficult to use when it's like, it's not so bad when you've emptied it, but that loses suction pretty quickly. Ought to get a new filter for it as well. And yeah. I think that's single cyclonic. I think I've already mentioned this, but I'll mention it again just in case I haven't. Sorry, that's the dog barking if you can hear. But that wheel used to be different on the Whirlwind before. Yeah. I don't know why they changed it, but I'll have to be quick because my battery's gonna die. So I'll just assemble it, then I'll do a little... Right, so I've now assembled it, and I'm now going to get it going because I plugged it in, and I'll just quickly show you what I mean by the cleaner head, by the way it skips if it does it on this bit of carpet. I don't know if you saw anything. I'll try it on another part of the carpet. I don't know if you can see anything, but it's definitely a bad cleaning head. Forgot to mention, there's another filter at the back here. Yep. For some reason it does make weird noises when you turn it off sometimes, like clunk noises sort of. I'll just quickly show you the other two tools. Here's the crevice tool. just quickly turn it on. Here's the pet hair remover. For some reason it isn't spinning, I don't know why, but I keep pausing it and it's getting on my nerves now. Weren't spinning for some reason, as you can see. I haven't got much recording time left, so I'll have to show you that in a separate video. But that's the end of this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, so bye.